Today I'm showing you guys a 30-minute meal. But before I begin, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you enjoy it, and don't forget to leave me a comment below if you're going to try this one. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Alright guys, let's get started. The measurement and the ingredients will be found in the description box below, so check that out. First thing first, we're starting with some minced garlic. I'm using 2 beef bouillon. We have chicken bouillon with paprika, and right here we have some herbs for some nice authentic flavor. I have fennel seeds, oregano, Italian seasoning, and as well as some ground black pepper. We have garlic powder, onion powder, and here we have butter. I'm using unsalted butter with some chopped yellow onions, and of course you gotta have the sauce. The exact sauce that I use, I will leave the name below. It's so delicious, okay? And I have some ground beef right here, and of course you gotta have the spaghetti. I'm using thin spaghetti. I like the thin one over the thick spaghetti, okay? So first thing first, I am going to be boiling my spaghetti, just following the instruction on the box. I added a little bit of salt to the water. Once my water started to boil, I am going to place the spaghetti right in there. Now I'm using half a box. If you want to make the entire box of the spaghetti, make sure to double the ingredients that I showed you guys, the measurement, okay? So now we're going to let that cook. Once it is al dente, something like this, nice and cooked, we're going to remove it. Well, before we do, I am going to set 1 cup of the spaghetti water. I'm going to set that aside, save it, because I'll be using it for the sauce. Now we're going to be getting ready to make our meat sauce. I added the butter to a pot. Once it is melted, I am going to be adding my onion. Once the onion is nice and translucent, we're going right after and add our garlic. I added the garlic after I cooked the onion because I didn't want to burn the garlic. So we're going to cook the garlic for about 30 seconds until it starts to fragrance. Then we're going to be adding in our seasoning. Yes, I said seasoning, not the seasoning, really, the herbs. I want to bring out the flavor of the herbs more, so I am going to slightly cook the herbs. Yes guys, I am using lots of herbs in there, and the flavor, the smell, oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, so we're going to basically kind of bring out the flavor more by frying the fennel seed, the Italian seasoning, for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to add our ground beef. Once the ground beef is no longer pink, we're going to add our tomato sauce. The sauce that I'm using is so good, y'all. You have to try it. I think it's a meat flavor sauce. Like I said, I will leave it below for y'all, okay? So we're going to add that in. You can add some crushed tomatoes if you want, but this is quick. I wanted to make this for dinner. I didn't have lots of ingredients. That's what I love about making spaghetti. As long as you have some basic, most likely you will have those ingredients in your pantry. So it's the perfect 30-minute meal for me. So I have decided to add some fresh parsley to bring out some more of the herby flavor more. So I added some fresh parsley, going to stir that in, and then I am going to be adding in the chicken bouillon as well as the paprika, and also I am adding the onion powder, garlic powder. You can add salt if you want. I usually add salt after, but I didn't really need salt. I try not to eat too much salt, guys, but I didn't really need salt. Now I'm adding the beef bouillon, and yeah, just stir that together. Now I'm going in with the spaghetti water. Just pour that in, stir it together, and let it simmer. And I have decided to add a little bit of fresh garlic in there, guys, because I love garlic, and I feel like the minced pre-made garlic was not bringing the garlicky flavor. So I chop, crush, whatever, add some garlic to it to make it more garlicky. So I went ahead and let that simmer on medium low for about 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes was over, this is it. I am going to add my spaghetti in there, and I tell you, the flavor on the sauce, y'all have to try it. It's so good. In less than 30 minutes, this is the perfect busy mom type of meal. Let me know if you guys want to try this out. Just stir it together. Now, I don't like too much spaghetti in my meat sauce. I like a lot of sauce, okay? So I'm not going to add all of the spaghetti in because I'm the type of person who like saucy spaghetti. So I'm adding a little bit of the spaghetti in, and basically that is the recipe. How quick and easy. Just make sure you stir it together real good to make sure the spaghetti swim in the meat sauce, and basically that is it. And to garnish, I use some Parmesan cheese and as well as some fresh parsley to make it nice and presentable. I hope y'all try this out. Let me know down below, how do you make your spaghetti? If you make yours different, let me know. Maybe I can try it because I love learning from you guys. Sometimes you guys be putting me on some good stuff. And don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoy it. I'm sure you did, so please don't hesitate. Click the like button. How beautiful this is, and saucy too. This is it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you try it. I will see you guys soon on the next awesome recipe. Bye.